This is Speedcubing. But it didn't just start out like this. On June 5th, 1982, a man named Min Tai held the first Rubik's Cube world record of 22 seconds. He used the method corners first, which was popular around the time. Speedcube technology didn't exist back then yet, so he had to use wrist turns to turn quickly.
Within 7 days of practice in under 2 minutes.
22.95 seconds. This was incredible at the time, because most people couldn't even solve a Rubik's Cube. It wasn't, solve this as fast as you can, it was, can you even solve it at all? After the 1982 World Championship, speedcubing came to a stop. For more than 2 decades, speedcubing faded into the background, but a small community refused to let the puzzle die. In 2003, the WCA, or the World Cubing Association, was founded. Official competitions returned, regulations were established, and for the first time in decades, the race for the fastest solve began. Then came a name that would define an entire generation: Felix Zemdegs. With incredible solves, he dominated speedcubing. With times around 6-7 seconds, nobody could beat him. With his world records averaging around high 6, the world had to wait until the sub-6 barrier was broken. Then finally, on June 25th, 2011, Felix Zemdegs got the first sub-6 solve. Now, with starting a new era, the world just had to wait for the next. Then finally, on November 21st, 2015, Lucas Etter would break the barrier. With this milestone, with cubes getting better technology and getting faster, we would all have to wait until sub 4. Then it happened. "3.47 seconds. the world has finally broken the sub-4 barrier. Nobody could break this record for many years, but it also seemed impossible to get an official sub-3 until this. Theodore Jader broke the sub-3 barrier with the 2.76 world record single. Not just his incredible skill, but the impossibly lucky scramble helped him tear through all the world records.